Hello everyone. It's nice to interact with the Shivaji College Akola. It's been almost 13 years since my last lecture in the auditorium of Shivaji College Akola, and I'm very pleased to interact with you on the conservation management of Karanja Sohar Black Buck Sanctuary. We know that grasslands are huge reservoir of biodiversity and they must be protected. They maintain hydrological balance. Traditionally, Vidarbha is a grassland, but due to change in the land use pattern, these grasslands are depleting. As these grasslands are depleting, hydrological cycle of this area is totally disturbed, and that is reflected into the various ecological issues. A present study is preliminary effort for the development of Karanja Sohar Wildlife Sanctuary. It has a potential to develop as a better tourist destination. You know that Karanja already had lots of tourists due to Datta Mandir. Those can be used, those can be converted to the Karanja Sohar Black Buck Sanctuary, so that conservation management will gain some speed over there. These large herbivores are present in our area. Now these herbivores are imposing problems to the farmers, and if this sanctuary is properly managed, these herbivores will be confined to this sanctuary only, because sanctuary offers sufficient food for these herbivore animals, and it will also restore ecological balance because the population of these large herbivores is being increased due to loss of predators. Now the sanctuary is maintained, we can regain the number of predators to control these herbivore animals. Now the survey between 2019 to 20 was conducted by the team of authors, and we visited the ecotourism center, water holes, both man-made and natural, of the sanctuary. Now this sanctuary is divided into 3 separate patches. Now the patch is isolated by the farmlands and the roofs. Now this is imposing the great issue or great hurdle for the conservation management. There are increasingly cases of animal and human conflict. Now it has healthy population of black bucks and blue bulls. It was invaded by the herbaceous plant, which might have got chance to invade due to uncontrolled grazing. Now meadow area is been increasing. Now this image shows the conservation management by the foresters. You can see the part which is present around here is part which is under the control of the forest department, and the part which is present here is not under the control of the forest department. So you can see grazing is occurring over there, and the grass cover is also very less as compared to this one. So we want to acknowledge the members of Sugallo Biodiversity Conservation Society, Dr. Milind Shirbate, Santosh Suralkar sir, the members of the Shirpur College, all members of ICIRTLS Akola, and the staff of Mahavidyalaya Karanja. Now this is the image of pugmark that we found in Karanja Sohar Sanctuary in our last visit. This is the pugmark of leopard. Now this shows that the Karanja Sohar holds a promise for conservation of these large herbivores, and it can become a savanna of Vidarbha. Thank you.